Hi people, welcome to my channel. But here's the thing, I love going to the salon to fix my nails, but most time I dread going to the salon because either you have to join the long waiting list, especially for a busy salon, or you feel the pain that comes with cuticle trimming, filing and all that, and there again the price. Sometimes I really don't have 4,000 naira for nail fixing, so I have to find an alternative to fixing my nail. Don't get me wrong, I still go to the salon but only when it's necessary, like when I have enough time or when there's an important event like wedding out. Otherwise, I stumble upon these pre-made nails, not just your regular salon nail. This nail has already been pre-designed. For example, here is this. You see the nails. So it's actually pretty designed. Like you don't need, all you need just your glue and you fix your nails. For example, you can actually fix this and adjust my nail. It comes with different design. And here's this design as well. It comes with shiny. So with this kind of nails, you really don't need any other thing like filing and all that. Okay, here's one that I fix, and this is the cheapest one. Like I fix it all the time. It takes less than 3 minutes to fix. Okay, here's how it looks for the short nails. I'll have the long one. Here's the long one, right? So you can actually use this if you don't really want to spend too much time in the salon to fix your nail. So I usually fix this nail whenever I'm down with cash or I don't have enough time to go to the salon. Or in fact, at a point, I wasn't even considering, I stopped going to salon to fix my nail because each time I fix this nail, I get people asking me where I fix my nail. The nail looks beautiful and all that. So I feel it's something everyone should have, right? So that you can actually stay in your house in less than 4 to 5 minutes. You really fix your nail without going out, okay? All you just need is just your glue, your file, and of course your nail polish, right? So I'm going to show you how I actually fix this.
In all of us, in our hearts, there's love and light that we must realize. We need to feel, we need to use this warmth that could make bright our lives. In all of us, in our hearts, there's love and light that we must realize. We need to feel, we need to use this warmth that could make bright our lives. Realize we need to feel, we need to use this warmth that could make bright our lives. In all of us, in our hearts, there's love and light that we must realize. We need to feel, we need to use this warmth that could make bright our lives. In all of us, in our hearts, there's love and light that we must realize. must realize we need to feel, we need to use this warmth that could make bright our lives. All of us, in our hearts, there's love and light that we must realize. We need to feel, we need to use this warmth that could make bright our lives. And all of us, in our hearts, there's love and light that we must realize. We need to feel, we need to use this warmth that could make bright our lives.
Could